Look at that. Look at that. See, I'm about to start making some detailing business. I'm telling you. Just look at that. Huh? Now I know what you're thinking. It's dusty all over the place, right? Calm down now. You're gonna follow me gently and we'll be getting the entire dashboard and the console area as well. All sparkling clean. Just calm down. The tools you're gonna need are gonna be the usual suspect. The dash cleaner, just find you something pretty good in your local hardware store. Brush and some microfiber towel. And let's get to work. And when you're doing this kind of work, you might feel confused as to where to start from. Why? Because your entire console area is filled with stuff. So my advice is to first take all the junks, the paper tapes, receipts, and loose dirt, just put them somewhere else, just to get them out of the way. And soon as you have a free place to work on, it's time to get to work with your little brush. All right. What I usually do is start from the vent area, get into those nooks and crannies, and of course, preferably you want to have all the doors open. Why? Because as soon as you're getting rid of the dust, the breeze blowing outside is going to help blow that off. You don't want to do it in an enclosed place because then as soon as you're getting rid of the dust, then it's going to be trapped back inside, right? See there? See how easy it's coming up? I told you to calm down. This is going to be easy, ladies and gentlemen. I believe we're making progress, right? Follow me? Hell yeah. All right, we're already third way done. And you move to the vent on this area. See, most of the work is attitude. If you go into this kind of little project with oh my God, I don't know where to start from. Actually, that's the reason why I'm here, just to motivate you guys to, don't always hand such job over to a detailer. You could do it by yourself. All right. Moving to the gear area. See, a little brush right here is already doing half of the job. And then move down to the cup holder area. See, what we're doing in this case is trying to bring all the loose dirt to the surface, just like you do when you're cleaning your footwear. All right, and then you move to the last vent on the other passenger side. All right. What I like about the DIY project is something you can do with the tools laying around the house. Like, who doesn't have a paintbrush or something like this, right? And of course, if you don't have the handheld vacuum cleaner, you can always use your house vacuum cleaner because I don't have a garage, so I had to get me a handheld vacuum cleaner, 18-volt vacuum cleaner. Black & Decker Dust Buster, that right there. And what this does is picks up all the loose dirt that you already agitated. All right. And when you're done sucking off all the agitated loose dust, now you want to move on to the next phase of the cleaning. You want to grab your dash cleaner, give it a little shake. Get your microfiber towel and spray at a safe distance. Just make sure you don't touch the windscreen. There you go. And polish away. I don't know if you can make it out from the camera, but you see all those greasy fingerprints? We want to get rid of all of them. grab the microfiber towel, and go to town. Looking good, looking good. Are you still with me? See, sometimes all it takes is just someone willing to do what you're not really willing to do to get you motivated. So in this case, this video motivates someone that has a dusty, greasy car and would like to save a few bucks instead of going to the detailer. Go over the vent area. Just be careful so that you don't break the louvers. It flimsy depending on what car make. See that? We are getting to the shiny part. Things are getting shinier and shinier. Do the steering wheel. And some steering wheels has those hard to get to areas as well. And that's where your little brush comes handy. Mint. Now we're moving on to the lower part of the dash. And go to town. See that? And don't worry if you don't get it to shine the first time. You can always give it a second pass. And then to the gear lever. And then down to the lower console area. Feel squirts and just shine away. And look at that, we are getting somewhere, aren't we? See, I told you I was gonna be all the way with you guys. And if you're new here, you can already hit that thumbs up button. It doesn't cost you nothing. Over to the glove compartment. You know what you diddly do. See, tell me, you need rocket science to be able to do this kind of project by yourself. I mean, similar projects will cost you, on a serious note, like $100, $200 at the detailer. Something you could do with things you already have laying around the house. It's just a no-brainer. Right? And since we're done with that, we'll move on to the door of the driver's side. And just shine away. And aren't we getting somewhere? As soon as you start feeling that your current microfiber towel is getting old, you can just toss it in, get you a new one. Moving on to the door on the passenger side. Spray away. And apply some elbow grease. See how easy it is? I mean, this is on the fly. I didn't actually prepare to make this video. It was just an impromptu video recording. I mean, that's how easy it is. So, yeah, some dash cleaner in the house. This doesn't get better than this. This is the best way to save you some dollars. And we're done. And now it's time to look around for all those imperfections. Just go over the places you probably didn't touch very well. Here, got LCD all shining. Hey, folks, we're almost done. See, I told you this was gonna be a light project. See that? And since you already have all the tools it takes to get this done, this is something anybody can do. Check your steering wheels, all the instruments. Check the actual screen, the knobs. Check the driver's side once again. Your LCD, the AC area, and the lower part of the console. Look at that. Look at that. See, I'm about to start making some detailing business. I'm telling you. Just look at that. Huh? Check out the before and after. The gear, steering wheel, pristine. But damn, on a serious note, this looks way better than I anticipated. Good God. Just look at it. It's all shining. Looks like it might be time for me to set up my own detailing business, huh? Alright, so that's it. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Share this video among people like DIY. And yeah, hit the like button as well and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'm Sirkay signing out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!